So stop scrolling. One of the biggest company in the world, Capgemini, is hiding data analyst, and this could be your chance. So hey everyone, welcome back to our channel for the notes. If you're looking for a data analyst role with strong tech pressure, the tech exposure in Python and PySpark, then today's opportunity is perfect for you. So the company is Capgemini, as you can see on your screen, and the role is of a data analyst, or especially if into Python and PySpark. So the location is going to be Hyderabad. So the job is based out of Hyderabad, and the experience they're expecting you to have is like even entry level, people. I mean entry level employees, and up to mid level is allowed. So you can just expect the experience of something around 0 to 3 years of or 1 to 4 years. So they haven't actually mentioned, so you can just apply if you have got the skill sets, and even if you're a fresher you can apply for this opportunity. So in this role, basically, you will be working on building and optimizing PySpark data pipelines, handling large data sets using the tools like Azure Databricks, Sparks, EMR, Signpass, etc. You'll also be involved into writing clean and efficient Python code as how data engineers do. And you'll also ensuring the data quality with validation and transformation. So basically, you will be involved into the checking the quality of the code as well. And yeah, basically this is, as I mentioned, it's a solid role if you're targeting data engineering plus analytics combined, so you're going to get a great exposure into this particular opportunity. So now let's discuss the skills required for this job. So to apply for this, you should have the strong knowledge of Python and PySpark that we already discussed. Along with that, you should also have the understanding of ETL, ELT, basically extract, transform, load, or extract, load, transform uh, workflows. Basically, how does work, how you are, working with the data, cleaning, how the actually pipeline works and all that stuff. So along with that, they're also expecting you to have the experience with big data environments, and maybe the tools like Hadoop and all might comes into picture here. So if you are having those knowledge, then you will be again given preferences, as compared to other people. And they're also expecting you to have the basics of data cleaning and transformation skill that you might have been doing if you are already a data analyst, like how we do with the help of pandas in Python. So these are the kind of expectations or skill sets required by the Capgemini for this role. Now let's understand why one should apply for this opportunity. So first of all, you'll get to work with global teams, exposure to cutting edge technologies, and along with that, you'll also get a great brand value on your resume, because Capgemini is one of the biggest name in the the corporate. So that is how you are going to have a big name, because you will be working with one of the largest MNC in the world. And along with that, you are going to get amazing work culture and learning opportunity, because they provide a lot of free resources for learning as well. And yes, if you are serious about building a career into data analytics or data engineering, then you shouldn't be missing this opportunity. Go check it out. I have mentioned the direct link for this job in the description. Stay away from fraud as well, as I keep adding into my videos all the time that there are lots of job frauds going on in the market. So please be aware from those kind of people who are taking money on the name of jobs and all. And yes, you can rely on our channel, because we'll be providing the actual link and the direct link for the job. So you can check out our and subscribe our channel as well. And also you can turn on the bell icon, so you keep getting notifications once we upload our new video. And also, yeah, that's it for this wonderful opportunity. If you want any other tips or resume tips related to this opportunity, or you can just comment, we'll be providing that as well. And also I'll be adding some of the, like, around, we have created some 200 questions and answers related to data analytics. So if you want to check out those, go, we'll provide that link as well. So yeah, that's it for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.